Hello guys, welcome to the daily late night market analysis video. My name is Apoorv. I daily make educational content videos in English on TradingView and in Hindi on YouTube. Both the links in both these audios are given on my open comment based Telegram, which looks something like this, where we discuss some more trades on intraday, on swing basis, in real time. Basically, you can ask me doubts there. I answer everyone there. So where is this link of Telegram? Link of the Telegram is given in the description of this video, so you can join me there. It's free, right? And I don't provide any calls, neither I give any advices. Okay, I'm just a person who is sharing their experiences on charts. Let's start this amazing video for you guys. So I have a swing trade for you. I have an amazing investment trade for you. So let's talk about the swing trade and investment trades that I'm seeing for you guys. So here is my first swing trade. My first swing trade name is Hindustan Motors. Okay, so what I'm seeing in this particular stock is the stock made a high here. Okay, then fell, tried to create the base at this particular area. So I will make a line right here. Okay, let me open my toolkit. So almost these levels, and then again it tries to create a support at this level. So basically it's a supply demand conversion zone and creates a higher low formation before the breakout of the double bottom. So double bottom has been taken out at this point, right? And now today the trend line is also been broken, this particular trend line. Okay, or you can say it's slightly a trend line, because slightly a counter trend line, or just a line, you can say. Okay, but it is a sharp breakout that I'm seeing here. Okay, that it is again and again coming to the same supply zone and coming back up. Okay, so it's a kind of a descending triangle pattern, you can say. Okay, so I'm gonna take a 6% to 7% risk in this particular trade, and I'm gonna focus on 6-7% target 1 and then 25% target 2. Okay, so this will be my target for Hindustan Motors. Okay, so now let's talk about some more trades for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to open my investment stocks right here. I'm gonna talk about Axis Bank firstly. Okay, why Axis Bank? See, Axis Bank is showing pretty good sign at this particular juncture, and the reason is long time ago, in 2018 it got rejected from here and then tried to came up, okay, in this zone. When it came in this zone, so for the period of 1 year, okay, it went from 658 or the regions of 700 to a region of 800. So a 100-point movement was being seen. Again, when it came to this area, it was consolidating on the higher side to move up, but COVID came, so it fell. So it fell, but it did a U-shaped recovery, or you can say a V-shaped recovery on monthly time frames, and on weekly it was a U-shaped recovery. On daily time frame, it was seen a normal recovery. Now again it came back up and again came back down, almost 800 level again touched. Okay, came back down after the sharp recovery and took support from here, again went up and made a high of 870 even. Okay, 860. So that was a bonus move right here. Okay, but it never got a closing on the weekly time frame above it, so it's not a consolidation breakout. So whenever it comes to this area, people starts accumulating it. Whenever it comes to this area, they sell it. So at this point you can see it's a double bottom breakout. At this point you can see it's a morning star. At this point again, now we are seeing that the stock came to this area and now creating a engulfing candle pattern at a weekly time frame and has closed on it. Okay, and now again making a good candlestick after it on daily time frame. So it looks like that the stock is again ready to shot up till these levels. So long term risk to reward will be something like, you can plan your trade as per your risk should be 600 and 600 levels should be your risk, and from the current market situation you should be planning for at least 820 to 50. So this is your risk to reward ratio for mid term to long term. This stock looks pretty good to me because it's in a sideways consolidation. So even if the market is moving on the higher side, it might only hit the upper area and starts falling again. Even if the market is falling down, it might retrace back a bit and then again starts moving on the higher side and then again falling. So sideways stocks give you that opportunity that those other stocks are not giving. Although there are a lot of stocks that are sitting on a supply demand conversion zone, but I am picking Axis Bank in today's video. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. So you have one swing trade, you have one investment trade in your hands. It's now on your it's completely now on you how to invest in the stock and how to move this particular investment idea along with. Okay, it looks like a very good idea, or you can go with you can go with some amount here. Okay, if it breaks, you're gonna exit the stock, but if it pulls back and breaks that high, whatever high it is creating, so you add more quantity, and if it moves up, comes down and starts moving here again at this particular point, so you add third quantity. So you can do three types of small investment in the stock, or two types of investment in the stock, depending on your risk appetite. Initial risk appetite will be, as I told you, from the current market situation, it's 10%, and how much you're getting, 20%. So 1:2 risk reward long term / midterm trade is, this is for you guys. Now let's go to FNO segment, and let me tell you about two more stocks. So Home First, as you can see, weekly time frame, it is giving out a symmetrical pattern breakout. So yeah, if it closes here on the weekly time frame, then this trade will be activated for target number 1 as 923. So wait for the weekly weekly closing as well for the stock. Similarly, SMC Global, as you can see, this is a demand area, and the stock has been making a higher low formation here. So the targets will be 101. Okay, as you can see right here. Okay, let me tell you, the targets will be 101 slash, you can aim for at least small targets between this particular area and this. So 93 around will be target number 1 in midterm. So short term, midterm target 7% and 14%, these are two targets, and then we will be focusing on more targets, but you have to take a stop loss of at least same 7% or 8%. So 7-8% stop loss if you are taking, then 1:1 risk reward ratio and 1:2 risk reward ratio done in this particular stock as well. Same goes for Home First. So here, these were the three swing trades idea for you on daily and weekly time frame that I've came across. Also, I told you guys already, so around 900, around 1000 people saw this idea, okay, in the real time market, and they have taken the trade as per their wish. If you want to, as per your wish, okay, it's completely your choice. So if you want to be the part of this community, if you want to be the part of this trading community, link is given in the description of this video of my Telegram. Do follow it. Okay, now on the daily time frame, as we saw that Nifty is giving a lower wick rejection, again we can see a consolidation in these two ranges. Okay, so it's not going below 15,900, but it is not going above 16,400 also. So I'm ranging it out now today, with today's bottom as the finest low and 16,400 as the topmost point. So I'm not seeing a breakout here, but I'm saying that if we got consolidated even here, so we buy some stocks here for short term, we sell those stocks around these area, or if it is moving up, okay, we see how those stocks are moving, and we try to take at least 1:1 from those short term intraday trades and whatever trades that you are taking. Or if it starts falling from here, you start shorting your stocks. There are a lot of stocks that I've given for the short list also. Okay, PVR it is, and then you add one more stock today. It went amazing, MK. So as you can see right here, I told you about the MK stock. It closed right here. Okay, so it's a good intraday short opportunity. Okay, right here it has given 3 touch points and a breakdown. So next day it gave 8 to 10% momentum again, but it's always a sell on rise type market. So whenever it is again coming back up, you sell it. Same goes for Tata Steel, same goes for a lot of stocks. Yeah, so my ideology for Nifty and Bank Nifty, I will share it in the morning, okay, as I do every morning. As you can see right here, today also I shared right at 8 o'clock I shared my idea, and around 11 o'clock the short idea went amazing. Okay, it was almost a 200 to 250 short trade, and you were able to capture at least from a base of like 50-60, it went to 120, the put options, right? So it was a very good short trade at the support at the supply zones. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the content, you like the educational content. Give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you are liking these videos more and more. We'll come with more investment stocks, and we'll keep a tab of these stocks from the current market situation. Okay, and we'll keep a tab of all these swing trades also from now on. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video that will come tomorrow, so stay tuned. And Hindi video, if you want to see, link is given only on my Telegram channel.